Hello guys, welcome back to today's class. In today's class, we are going to see about file permission management in Linux. So let's get started. So let me open Killer Coda first. So you need to search for Killer Coda, Playground, Ubuntu. So yes, now we are here. So let me log in first. Okay, I logged in now. Let me increase the size. Okay, so now what is file permission? Okay, what is file permission? Let's say now I am creating a file.txt. Okay, so I am giving ls-l. Here you are seeing, right? So this is the permission of the file. Okay, let me explain you this. So here in the first, it will show this one, the first one, it will show the type of the data. For example, if it is directory or if it is a link, so it will show here. Okay, so let's say I'm creating one directory, mkdir data. I'm giving ls-l. So you are seeing, right? D means directory. So it will show the type of the data. Okay. So the next thing, this thing, let me explain this to you. So the first one is directory. Okay. It will show the type of the data, and then read, write, execute. Then read, write, execute. Then read, write, execute. Okay. So this first three is for user. Okay. The second three is for group. Okay. And the third three is for other user. Okay. So what does it mean? It means, so the user have this kind of permission. Okay, the first three letter will give the information about the user permission. So the user can write, user can read, user can also execute. And this is for group. So the group can write, the group can read, and the group can also execute. So this means other user means normal other users, whoever, I don't know, anyone. So they have read and write and execute permission. Okay. So we have a specific number. For example, for read, it is 4. Okay. For write, it is 2. For execute, it is 1. Okay. So how will you change the permission? Okay. So let's say if I want to provide only read and write permission to the user and no permission to the group and the other user. So how can we change it? Okay, for example, I want to give only read and write permission. Read and write means for read 4, for write 2. So 4 plus 2 is equal to what? 6. So how can I change it? chmod. Okay, 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. And I don't want to give any permission to the other users and group. So 0, 0 and the file name, file.txt. Okay, so let me show you practically. So I just created one file right here, file.txt. So how can I change it? I am changing to chmod. Okay, chmod 600 and the file name, file.txt. Okay, so I changed the permission. Now if I see I have only read write permission to the user, and for others no permission. Okay, so this is how we will change the permission to the user. Okay, suppose if, like, for example, I'm giving chmod, okay, 777 file dot txt, which means I'm giving all permission to all the users. Okay, so I'm giving it. Let's give enter, and if I give ls, see, I have all the permission. So the users have the permission to read, write, execute, and the group and the other user, everyone is having all the permission. Okay, so this is how we manage the file permissions. Okay, suppose, let me clear the screen. Suppose I want to remove the execute permission. Okay, I want to remove the execute permission. So I added it by mistake. Now I want to remove it. So how will I remove it? chmod, same command, minus I'm removing execute permission to the file.txt. Okay, so if I see now, see, the execute permission is removed. Suppose I want to add the execute permission back. Instead of minus, you have to give plus. Okay, let's see now. See, the execute permission is added. Okay, so I want to remove the read permission. Okay, minus read permission. I have removed it. If I check again, see, the read permission is removed. So the next thing we are going to see about hard link and soft link. So what is hard link and soft link? Okay, let me open Notepad. So hard link means, okay, for example, suppose you are creating one file. Okay, let's say file.txt. Okay, so if you create hard link for that file.txt, the same file will be copied. Okay, the same file will be copied. This is how we will copy in Windows, right? In Windows, if we are copying if we are copying one file to other destination, so the same dicto copy will be copied in the other destination place, right? Let's say if you are deleting the source file, okay, in Windows I'm saying if you are deleting the source file, the destination will also be deleted. No, right? Because you copy to somewhere else, so it has its own space. So if we delete the source file, the destination file will be there, right? Suppose if you are making some changes in the source file, okay, like I am editing something in the source file, it will not reflect in the destination file, right? In Windows I am saying. But in Linux, if we are creating a hard link, okay, the same file will be copied. Okay, the same file will be copied, just like same as Windows. But the one brownie point is, if we make any changes in any of the file, either it can be source file or destination file, okay, the changes will be made in other file also. Okay, changes will be made in both files. Okay, if you are editing one file, the changes will be made in other file also. Okay, but if you delete the source file or if you delete the destination file, okay, the other file will not be deleted. Okay, let's see practically. Now where I am inside root, right? So here I have this file.txt, right? So I am creating a hard link in other location. How can we create? ln, okay, the file name file.txt, in which destination I am going to copy? tmp, and file.txt. Okay, so this file.txt is also copied in this place. Let me check and verify once. cd/tmp ls. See, the file.txt is here. Okay, let me go to root again. cd/root. Okay. So now I am going to make some changes. Okay. I'm going to make some changes in file.txt. What can I do? I'm typing file.txt. I'm editing it and I'm saying hi everyone. Okay. And I am saving it. See, now the file has this content, right? I have modified in source file only. So let's see the destination file where I have copied cd/tmp ls cat file.txt. See, the changes is there in destination file also, right? The changes, but I made changes in source file, but I can see the same changes in destination file also, right? Let's see. I am removing this file.txt. I am removing it from the temporary folder. If I check again now, see, I don't see any file.txt, right? So now I'm going back to root and check if the file is deleted or not. See, the file is still there and the content also there. It is not deleted. Okay, so this is how we will create hard link. And now we will see about soft link. So in soft link, it is just like a shortcut in Windows. Okay, so if we are just creating shortcut for any application or any file, okay, if I click that shortcut, it will just route me to the main file, right? Similarly, here if we create a soft link, it will just route my location to the main file. Okay, so let's see practically. I'm creating one folder for soft link. Okay, soft link. I have created this folder and I'm going inside this soft link folder. Okay, we will make changes here. Here, I don't have anything, right? Clear. I'm creating a file here. Let's say touch link.txt. Okay, now I have created this text file, right? So now I'm creating a soft link ln-s. So what is the text file? Link.txt. Okay, and the soft link name is new link.txt. Okay, now I have created a soft link. Let's give ls. See, this is the original file and this is the destination file. So if I give ls-l, see, the original file is this and this one is routing to this link, right? So let me make some changes in the original file. I am typing something, link.txt. I'm saying hi and Control C. Okay, now let's see what is inside this link.txt. Inside this, hi is there, right? So let me check the soft link also. ls. So cat new link.txt. Sorry, cat paste. See, hi is there, right? Suppose let me delete the original file. Okay, I am removing the original file. Now if I give ls, see, this one is dead. This one has nothing. Okay, but in hard link, it has its own space, right? But here, if I delete the original file, the shortcut is nothing, just like Windows. Okay, this is called as hard link and soft link. So today we saw about the file permission and the hard link and soft link and what are all the difference between them. That's all for today's session. I hope the class is clear. If anyone have any question, please leave a comment. I will reply to everyone. Thank you everyone. Bye.